Hello friends and welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. So like you all know that previously we have started a C++ tutorial series, and this is our new series which we have started, and I hope you are enjoying that because we have uploaded many videos in this series yet. So today in this video I'll be telling you that what are assignment operators in C++, because in previous videos we have learned about operator but we have not learned about every operator separate video. So now I'll be telling you that in this video that what are assignment operators, how you can use it, what are the elements which you have to use when you're using assignment operators. If you understand this video and if you enjoy this amazing tutorial video of C++, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel. So now what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started. So like I've told you in the start that today in this video we'll be learning that what are assignment operators in C++ and how you can use it. So if we talk about basically assignment operators, so these are the assignment operators. Like if I move here and if we talk about the things which you can use with assignment operators. So assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. Like if we talk about arithmetic operators, so arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations. So there the arithmetic operators are used to perform that operations, but if we talk about assignment operators, so these are used to assign values to variables. Now in the example below we use the assignment operator equal to assign the value 10 to a variable called x. Like if I assign the value to this variable x as 10, so the addition assignment operator plus equal to adds a value to a variable. It will be adding a value to a variable which will be 5. You can add any value here, but I have added example 5, and this is a list of all arithmetic operators, all assignment operators you will be getting, which is operators, which you can see in assignment operators that what kind of operators you will be getting. So first operator which you will be getting an assignment operator will be equal to, secondly you will be getting here is plus equal to, then third minus equal to, and fourth is multiply equal to. An example you will also get here like x equal to 5. X is a variable, you can give any variable here. X is normally example given here. Then here x plus equal to 3, which is another variable of assignment operator. Then x minus equal to 3, then x multiply equal to 3. Then same as we are getting the output x equal to 5, x equal to x plus 3, x equal to x minus 3, x equal to x multiply by 3, and these are all assignment operators example, and some examples are here as well, you can just see. But the basic examples are these which we will be using here, so that we can only work with the basics here. And now if we talk about another example, like if you want to add a value to a variable, so you will be adding this init x, which is a variable, and in this variable if I write a value of 10, like example I'm just saying if I add a value of 10, so I will be again adding a value of 5 so that I can give another value to my variable, which is a simple thing. Now if I just copy this value here and simply if I just paste it on my Replit text editor, which I have already opened, and I'll be just simply changing its name to assignment operators. So I'll be writing here assignment operators in C++, and then I'll be just pressing enter to deploy this REPL here. And after doing this thing, simply I'll be just pasting all the things which I have already added here so that we can work with it. So you can just see we have added all these things, and I'll be just pasting. After pasting these all things, you can just see first of all we are getting a first variable which says a value 10. Then the second variable which we have added, in that we have added a value 5. Now if you want to get the output of this, simply have to run it, and after running you can just see it is giving me an error because it says is that this x is not defined, and we have to define it as well. So for defining it, simply have to use the count function, and you have to write x and del. Then simply if I move down, then again you have to use a count, but I think again you don't have to use because two values are same, and that is why we don't have to use it again. But if it gives error again, so we can use the value again so that we can get the output perfectly fine. If I run it here, after running you can just see we are getting a value 15, and the value 15 is coming because we are using plus equal to here, which says 10 plus 5, because in x variable we have written two values, first is 10 and second is 5. So it is adding 10 plus 5 and the answer is coming 15. Now in the place of this 5, if I add another value of 15, now you will be getting a different output which will be saying you that the answer is 25 means the output is 25. So you'll be now getting a different output of 25 on your screen. If I run it again, so you can just see now we are getting an output 25. So here you can use different outputs here, but remember you cannot use the division sign with equal to, only you can use multiplication sign. If you use division sign here, so it can give you an error, which is not the good thing. So remember, when you're using this assignment operators here, so you have to just take care of the signs which you are using in it. Like if I want to multiply anything, so obviously I'll be using multiply, and I'll be here writing 5. So 10 5s are 50, so it will be giving me an answer on the output which will be 50. If I run it here, so you can just see the answer is coming 50 because it is multiplying these two values here, and then it is giving me the output on my output screen. I'm using the two variables with the same name, and that is why it is not giving me an error to define one variable and not defining two variables, because these two variables are same, but we are writing it down so that we can define two values here and we can get the output. Now here you can just add some other signs as well. Like if I want to subtract this 10 minus 5, so you will be also getting a value here. So like if I subtract 10 by 5, so you will be getting an output 5. So I'll be just running to get the output of 5 here, press run, and you can just see now the output we are getting here is 5. Means we are having our assignment operators working, and I hope you understand that basically what are assignment operators and how you can use it. So these are the things which you can do with these are operators, but you all know that previously we have learned about different operators. Like I've given you the examples of many operators like arithmetic operator, assignment operator, then there were some other biometric operator and some other operator as well, which we will be learning in coming up videos, and I hope you'll be enjoying that videos as well. But this was just the basic video of assignment operator, that how you can use it if you want to use. But remember, when you're using this assignment operator here in your Replit or in any text editor you're working with C++, you have to define that in count function as well, in count variable as well, so that it can work and you can get the output successfully. But if you don't use this count function here with the variable which you are using, so you will be getting an output as error. So remember to use this so that you can get simply same output like you want. So I hope you understand this video in which we have learned that what are operators and what are assignment operators basically in C++. So if you have understand this video and if you enjoy this amazing tutorial video in which we have learned about assignment operators, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing, hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel. And remember to check out my all the previous videos which I have uploaded on this channel so that you can learn everything right now or right away, the previously which I have told you about C++. Check out my playlist which I have created so that you can learn each and everything which we have created yet on this C++ series. And also comment me that what things do you want from me in future about C++. I'll be also creating that because it will be really helpful for you. So it motivates me to create all these videos again and again for you so that you can learn different things from every video which I am creating, if rather it is a tutorial video or a project video. So if you understand, just hit a like, subscribe, share this video so more people can learn on all the other things like you want. Hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of my future videos. So I'll be meeting you next project or next tutorial video of C++ using these all amazing things here. So for today, goodbye.